Morning students, I hope you would be better at your home nowadays. As you know that lockdown is going on back to back and you are studying at your home from the core of your heart. Last week I taught about voice, I mean active to passive, and today I am going to talk further about voice. In last week I have discussed about the definition of voice, and today I am going to give you some assignments to solve you. But before solve this assignment, I would like to introduce you briefly about voice. As you know that voice is that form of the verb which shows whether the subjects of the verb acts or acted upon. There are two kinds of voice, active voice and passive voice. When the subject of the sentence is doer of an action, the verb is said to be in the active voice, and when the subject of the verb is not doer but sufferer of it, the verb is said to be in the passive voice. And I am going to give you some sentences to solve you. So open your notebook and pen and take down some sentences on your notebook as your home assignment. So my first question is, I write a letter. I write a letter. She helps the poor. She helps the poor. You make a noise. You make a noise. They call me. They call me. We do it. We do it. Raju does it. Raju does it. Syam cheats Anu. Syam cheats Anu. Mukesh plays cricket. Mukesh plays cricket. Ramu beats Sudhir. Ramu beats Sudhir. Hari reads a novel. Hari reads a novel. Gautam understands me. Gautam understands me. We know it. The spelling of know is K-N-O-W. We know it. He does not inform the police. He does not inform the police. The thieves steal books. The thieves steal books. These are some sentences based on present indefinite tense, and how to do it into passive voice. You just have to take the pattern into your memory. तो इसमें आपको करना यह है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल गिव ऑब्जेक्ट एज अ सब्जेक्ट and as per its person or number must be use helping verb. Then you use there the third form of the verb, and then you will write by, and last you will convert subjective case into objective case. I want to recite a very beautiful poem that is based on voice. ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट करो, रखो तुरंत टू बी, यदि पहले से हो टू बी तो बिंग रख दो जी, हो टू हैव तो बिन रखना भी थ्री बाई, सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट करो पैसिव में हो भाई। आप इस पोएम को कई बार आप देखेंगे, कई बार इसको सुनेंगे, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि कई बार सुनने के बाद आपको ये पोएम याद हो जाएगा और इसकी जो गूढ़ बातें हैं वह भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। These all sentences have to changed into passive voice, and I think you will have got from the core of your heart. Thank you and have a good day.